DJN TV.
We no go fit guarantee peace for health sector, says Joesu. My sabi person there, I welcome you to DJM TV Daily News Update, where we dey give una the correct stories wey dey drop for our country, Nigeria. One matter don come again. It concerns the health workers for Nigeria and their body wey they call Joesu. Health workers don threaten say they go strike over the medical and dental council bill wey dey for National Assembly. Health workers under the Joint Health Sector Unions, Joesu, don threaten say they go scatter the activity for the health sector if their demand on the Medical and Dental Council Bill of Nigeria, Repeal and Re-enactment 2020, if they not resolve them as soon as possible. Joesu National Chairman, wey they call Comrade Joy Josiah, don tell news people to say the health workers dey demand say the Medical and Dental Council of Nigeria (MEDCA) Repeal and Re-enactment Bill wey dey for National Assembly, so wey they wan consider, make dem step am down until all the wahala wey dey exist for the act, until they decide on am and until they resolve am. The chairman express e displeasure over wetin e talk say for the bill be harassment and intimidation of im members for Joesu by the chairman of the Senate Committee on Health, Senator Ibrahim Olorigbe, during the public hearing of the Medical and Dental Council Bill. They say make the man apologize sharply because if he not apologize to them, they go scatter everywhere. Joesu comprise of 5 affiliate unions like Medical and Health Workers Union of Nigeria, National Association of Nigerian Nurses and Midwives, Nigerian Union of Allied Health Professionals, Senior Staff Association of University Teaching Hospitals, Research Institutes and Associated Institutes, and Non-Academic Staff Union of Education and Associated Institutes, and Assembly of Healthcare Professional Association. And they don't condemn the harassment and intimidation of health workers and professionals during the public hearing of this bill. When we hear what this thing be, whether they demand for apology, so say unreserved apology. He say for the position of a contest over the medical bill, Joesu say the purpose of the public hearing for the National Assembly was defeated because the other critical stakeholder wey submit memorandum ahead of time, they not allow them to make presentation, even though sufficient time was given to medical practitioners and affiliated body. Furthermore, it totally disregard the arranged list of presenters during the public hearing and handpicked presenter instead of why barring his perceived antagonist. He says Senator Dr. Olorigbe, wey be the sponsor of the Medical and Dental Council of Nigeria bill, display high level of bias against health professionals during the public hearing. He also told say, as a medical practitioner and interested party in the bill, Senator Olorigbe no dey fit to preside over the public hearing of that nature on moral ground based on saying a doctor. He say he not provide level playing ground to other health professionals them, as he always dey give undue advantage to medical practitioners at any Senate Committee legislative forum wey get to do with the health sector. He said the action wey Senator Olorigbe take against them for Joesu, he say na against their fundamental right wey dey for the Constitution of Nigeria and the International Labour Convention on Harassment and Intimidation. According to am, he said the bill wey they wan pass so dey against Rule 7, Section 1, Subsection 5 of the House of Representatives and Order 41 of the Senate, Federal Republic of Nigeria, because say the existing Medical Act dey against their jurisdiction for the country. Now dem tok say di bill dem no suspend di bill wey dis senator Ibrahim Olorigbe dey wan pass o, dem go strike o, say because dis bill e dey bias over health workers during di public hearing. Say di health workers dem dey argue say di in ten tion of dis bill, so dis medical bill, na to place medical doctors in control of oda professional bodies and to cause friction among workers. One tin wey don always dey cause problem for Nigeria na di fact say Nigeria Medical Association dey see every oda professional body as though dem suppose to dey under dem, meaning dem dey wan use doctors as head of every medical association or maybe affiliate body like JOHESU now. JOHESU na there na nurses dey, JOHESU na there na lab scientists dey, lab technicians, all those other professionals aside doctors na JOHESU dem dey, and there pharmacists dey, although pharmacists dem get their own Pharmaceutical Council of Nigeria, but every other professional body fall under JOHESU. And now JOHESU dem dey argue say doctors dey always dey intimidate dem, dem dey always dey sideline dem, dem dey look dem like say dem no be anything. And dem dey always argue for di past say doctors no go fit do all di work alone, dem need other health workers to assist dem do di work. Di best wey doctor go do na to assess di situation, den prescribe, and den every other person go continue with di work wey doctor don write put for there. And den sometimes too, dem also dey argue say even when doctor no dey there, dem dey fit dey do some kind certain jobs before doctor come. Dat notwithstanding, dem say dem no wan take di places of doctors o, but dem just want their own proper recognition for di country. Nigeria Medical Association don argue say some of dem wey no be doctors, like medical doctors, dey answer di acronym doctor for their name, and dem don say no, na only person wey go school go read medicine na im suppose to dey answer dat name doctor. But we know say anybody wey don go school reach PhD level, dem dey add doctor join im name. So Nigeria Medical Association dey argue now say most of all these people for JOHESU, dem go dey answer doctor, meanwhile dem no be doctor, so dem dey wan like trespass into their, you understand na, dem dey wan take over their duties for hospital, and dat one now so dem no go gree. So for dis bill dem wan pass so, JOHESU don already dey see, dem never even talk di bill matter finish o, JOHESU don already dey see say dem dey intimidate dem. Why? E say dem no allow dem talk for di hearing, because when dem read bill, dem suppose to give time for people to comment. Dem no allow any member of JOHESU talk for di hearing, dem no allow critical stakeholders of di JOHESU to even make remarks. And then dem dey talk, JOHESU now dey argue now say dis senator Olorigbe, so he na doctor, so he no dey fit to present dis bill because definitely e go dey bias, and true true im show dem say e no go allow dem talk, rather e dey call on other medical professionals, doctors to talk, and other people dem wey no, di matter no even concern. JOHESU say dis one na intimidation of di highest order, and if dem no stop di reading of dat bill to try to pass am into law and rectify di small small korokere wey dey for inside dat bill, say dem sef go strike, dem go cripple di health sector, say dem go let di doctors dem know say no be only dem na im dey carry out di work for hospitals and for health centers dem, say dem sef members of JOHESU, and dem dey run most of di health centers for Nigeria, and without dem everything go dey on stand still. So JOHESU don threa ten say dem go strike. How una see dis matter? One thing wey I no dey like for Nigeria matter be say any small thing dem don strike, any small thing dem don strike. But sometimes if you look at it another way, you see am say sometimes dem no strike, government no dey answer dem. E just be like say our government dey like strong thing. If dem no go on strike, dem no go answer dem. But how you reason am? The fact say dem wan pass a particular medical and dental council bill, e don reach for JOHESU to say okay we go strike. The fact say the person wey dey initiate the bill na doctor, e don reach for dem to say dem go strike. The fact say okay as dem dey do the reading of the bill, dem no let maybe any of their member talk, e don reach for dem to say dem go strike. You see am say dem dey infringe on their fundamental rights. Oh, I don speak big English for there. You see am say dem dey wan oppress dem. How you reason dis matter? Reason am well. JOHESU dey right to say dem go cripple the health sector of Nigeria if dem no stop the passing of dat bill or not. You say shook your mouth put for this matter for the comment section. Well, this is still your favorite news blog, DJM TV Daily News Update. Why would they give you better story the way they happen for the nation? I better don't forget to like and to share this video. In case you never subscribe, when you do well to touch the subscribe label for there, and then you see that bell there for corner there, touch the bell so that anytime we will drop new video like this, you will be among the first persons that we go know say better don't land again for this Ogbonge DJM TV channel. Well, until I come your way again with another Ogbonge news, I say remember your sister and your country get Lawuro Favor where they report for DJM TV Daily News Update.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.